Alright, thanks for tuning in. We're back in the garage for a project on the E30 that I've probably put off for over a year. I picked up a set of Motorsport hardware stud conversions for the lug bolts that are on the E30 to convert it into, I guess, studs on the car and then lug nuts to put on. So I originally had the intentions of, once I had this kit installed on the car, being able to swap between sets of wheels a little bit faster and a little bit easier. I intended to have a street set of wheels and then an autocross set of wheels, but right now I just have the AC Schnitzers on and kind of no backup wheels besides the stock bottle caps. But I think it's finally time to go ahead, get these lug studs off of the car and install the stud kit from Motorsport Hardware. I picked mine up from Race German, so I'll go ahead and put a link in the description. But yeah, should be a fairly straightforward swap. Here we go, everything laid out nicely. Obviously, I'm still on the 4-lug setup, so that's all the bits that we have right here. That's close. I missed it, toolbox. These tires are for sure getting pretty old. I think I bought them in 2016, so a handful of autocross over the years, and I think it's almost time to swap them out for something fresh. So I've got a little bit of this Permatex Blue. It's the medium strength version. This is just going to go on the short end of the studs. They'll go in, and then we'll kind of torque these in, get them all done. I don't know what the preferred way is. I normally just do a line down it, and then it'll kind of seat the rest of it as it goes in. You know what, we'll get them all in there hand tight before torquing them in. Maybe a bit much on that one. Never quite know when to put thread locker on stuff. I rarely use it, but Motorsport Hardware did say, specifically called it out for this application, so definitely a good one to include it on. So using the 2 spare lug nuts that the kit provided, or you could have old ones, we're going to go ahead and get these on, and we're going to use these against each other to torque on the studs. They should be locked in. They recommended 25 foot-pounds. There we go. Get these off of here. We've got 3 more here and 12 more to finish up the car, and we'll be able to get the wheels on, get the wheels torqued, and see how cool it looks. All right, everything is on. Torqued into place. So now it's just about getting our wheel on. Slides right into place. So that should wrap up this job. It was actually fairly simple and a lot quicker than I expected, and fairly surprising that the studs really only get torqued to 25 foot-pounds, which was in the instructions that came with them. A little bit less than I would have expected. But I've got all 4 corners wrapped up. The wheels went on just as easy as I wanted them to with this stud conversion. And like I said, I'll put the product in the description in case anybody is interested in picking it up themselves. Not sure what's going to be next, but be sure to like and subscribe to see hopefully a lot of upcoming content with my E30. And look at that, I've even cleaned up after myself. Thanks for watching.